You need to stretch your comfort zone. You really need to take this seriously. And if you continue watching this video till the very end, I'm sure I'll be able to convince you at least 50% that this is something that you really need to do. It is something that is very important for your personal growth, for your career, for your lifestyle, for everything. Stretching your comfort zone is extremely important. That is something that I have been trying to do lately in my life, and there is a long way to go. And that is what I will be advising you and I will be helping you to do through this video. Watch this video right till the end. I'm sure it is definitely going to help you in some sort of way. Let's get started. In case you're visiting my channel for the first time, let me say hello to you. Hi, this is Devanshi and I'm just a very normal girl like most of you all are, like normal people. Not everybody is a girl, sorry. And I create all these videos to help the student community because I'm one of you all and I know the troubles that we all face. So what we are going to talk about in this video is how the process that I use to overcome my fears and doubts. And the process looks very simple but is actually a little complicated and a little difficult. But once you get the hang of it, everything else is going to make sense to you and you're going to learn so much out of it. First of all, let's understand what is that one thing that stops you from growing. I personally believe, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe it is my own fear. It is the fear of falling down. It is the fear of being judged. It is the fear of not being able to accomplish it. See, I feel my fear always holds me back. It is the biggest obstacle in my way of growing to my full potential. It holds me back. It makes me question my potential. It makes me feel underconfident. It sometimes makes me accomplish lesser than what I deserve. See, if your fear is something that is holding you back, I would say it is very natural, it is very human for something like that to happen. It happens to me all the time. But what we need to understand is we are not the only ones, right? Everyone has fears. Everyone has something that they are afraid of. We are not alone in this. Okay, now we have accepted the fact that we are fearful or something and how to tame this, how to actually do something about it and how to get rid of this fear. Now, the only way of getting rid of this fear is by facing it. You cannot overcome your fear without facing it. You can never overcome it by just running away. Now, how to overcome this fear? By stretching your comfort zone. Your comfort zone, as the name suggests, it's a zone where you're comfortable, where you're good, you're confident, you don't want anything else. But just being in your comfort zone is not going to take you a long way. If you really want to make something nice out of your life, you have to stretch your comfort zone. Now, I can't say that I have stretched my comfort zone completely and I'm trying different things and I'm completely in the path of success and I am on my way of achieving a lot of things. No. But I have done a few things here and there which help me stretch my comfort zone. I'll tell you, I am an introvert. I am a shy person. I don't talk much. And for somebody like me to have created 120 videos on YouTube, just talking, it's a big deal. It's a major deal. I'm always uncomfortable in front of the camera. Even now I'm uncomfortable because this is not something, I'm not very used to it. I'm a very new creator and every time I'm facing the camera, I'm shy, I'm nervous, I can't say I'm shivering. No, that is not something that happens to me. I'll not lie. But yeah, I am nervous. I am I fumble a lot. There are a lot of cuts in my videos. I fumble but the point is I still do it. I still keep stretching my comfort zone and I still keep creating these videos. Why? Because it helps me become a good communicator. It helps me connect to a lot of people. It helps me, bring in whatever little creativity I have inside out on the plate and make something good. I mean, this YouTube channel is one of the most productive things that I have done with my time and I'm very proud of it. It helps me in some sort of way to stretch my comfort zone. This is what I believe I'm doing right in my life. Pardon me if you think otherwise. I believe whenever I have stretched my comfort zone, like I never used to participate in speeches and debates and all. Ninth was the first time that I actually thought of giving it a shot. I thought, ठीक है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा what is going to happen? I'm gonna fail, and things are going to go wrong. It's okay. Let's just give it my best shot. And I actually tried, and that was the first time I was speaking in front of so many people on the podium, and I did really well. I did really well. I was scared, I was nervous, I was not in my best shape, obviously, and I performed so well in that very competition. I mean, I'm not boasting. I'm sorry if I come out as arrogant and too high in her head kind of a person, but no, I'm just stating a fact. I'm just giving you an example because my life is the only example I have. Yeah, okay, so don't get me wrong, but I performed so well that from the next time onwards, my teachers actually pushed me to participate in other events and represent my school there, and I actually did it and actually won there as well. Okay, so I mean, this is a very small thing, but you don't know what good things can happen to you when you stretch your comfort zone. And I think my comfort zone is going to stretch even more when I start attending offline classes of my college, because I'm a small town girl. I'm from a very small city. It's called Balasore. It's quite possible that most of you have never even heard the name. I'm from Odisha, and I'm gonna be moving to a big city like Pune, and there will be so many people from Delhi, from Mumbai, from Bangalore, from I don't know what all places, Hyderabad, and from different cultures, from different kind of backgrounds, from people with a lot of different perspectives about life, about career, about relationships, about everything. And the horizon of my thinking, it is going to get expanded, and that is something that I'm excited about, and that is something that I'm very, very nervous about. Why? Because it is going to stretch my comfort zone. It is going to get me out of my comfort zone. It is going to be cumbersome. It is going to be a little painful in the beginning, I know, but it is going to be very redeeming in the long run. I'm going to learn a lot. I'm pretty sure about it. And that is what I'm going to suggest you to do. Whenever you see an opportunity which you feel is going to teach you something and which you feel is going to make you step out of your comfort zone, grab that opportunity, make use of that opportunity. Don't let it go. If you let it go, you're just harming yourself. If you really want to do something with your life, do something nice with your life, if you really want to be motivated enough to achieve something, there's a very important thing that I need to tell you, I need to address here, and you need to acknowledge. You need to be okay with failing. You need to learn the art of facing your failures. You can never grow in your life without failing. At least that is what I believe. Not that I have grown. No, I have not grown at all. I'm so sorry. I have not grown at all. But I know I will someday. I have that faith in myself. Why? Because I don't fear facing my failures. I have been very open about this. I'm not ashamed of my failures, because I believe my failures have taught me what success could never had. And I'm very grateful that I have failed. Sounds very ironic. I'm very grateful that I have failed a couple of times, and that has made me who I am today. I am not a big deal. I am definitely not a big deal, but I'm pretty proud of the kind of person that I am and the kind of outlook and approach that I have towards life. And nobody can take that away from me. I don't need to hear this from anyone. I know that about myself. My approach and my way of thinking is always positive, optimistic, and I have a growth mindset. That is something which I believe is going to help me in the long run. Okay, for now I'm doing average. I'm doing perfectly fine. See, if I have to tell you, being a very, very average and sometimes even below average student in my school life, I am still in one of the best universities of India. Why? Because I worked hard for it, and because I believed I can do it. Have you ever heard of that quote? She could do it because she believed she can. Yeah, that is what has happened. Not an achievement. I'm just telling you, if you really, really want to do something, and if you go out of your comfort zone to achieve that thing, and if you really work hard for it, things are going to shine for you someday. This video has picked up a lot of length. I mean, I don't know if मैंने इसमें बहुत कुछ बोल दिया है, मुझे नहीं पता आप इसमें से कितना कुछ एक्सेप्ट कर पाएंगे, कितना इस पर रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाएंगे. बट लास्टली आई वुड जस्ट से वन थिंग, द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ विनर एंड अ लूजर is the ability to try again. This is not my line. I have heard it from someone, I think. I don't remember, but I really love this line, and this line always inspires me. All right, that's it. I just wanted to make this video. Once in a while, I like talking about things that I feel I should address, and I feel the youth of this country needs to know about. And whatever little following I have, I want to enlighten the people who watch me, and I have always promised this on this channel that once in a while I want to create videos that will help you grow. Okay, and I hope this video serves that purpose. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I will be back with more such videos if you like this one. And do let me know in the comments what you feel about this video. I'm open to all your feedback and criticism, constructive ones. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll take your leave now. Bye.